Hello, everyone. Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot. This is the Favored Wreath. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. Let's come over here. We use 2 ties, and we're going to fold both of them like so and bring both skinny ends across the center and go over like so. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to split right there, and I'm going to put both of the ties in between the 2 right there. So that's what we have right here. So I'm just going to kind of separate them a little bit like that to where you can see both of them. Like so. I have that. And then again, keeping them both out like that. Go around like so. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put both of these 2 right there. I was deciding which one I wanted to do. And that's what I'm going to do it through both of those. So we have this right here. Let me find here we have it. All right. So I have this right here. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the skinny end and go back through this. And then I'm going to put this around like so, and then I'm going to leave it back behind here. So I want to tuck it back. Now, I'm going to finish it with a wreath, because we have to have a wreath in here somewhere. So I'm going to do my wreath, and then I'm going to want to come up through this loop here. Actually, I'm going to leave that alone, but I want that to be kind of poking out like that. But I'm going to do a wreath and just cross the whole thing. And there you have it, the Favored Wreath. All right. You're favored to be a champion today. Go with that encouragement. Own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully, wonderfully made. See the picture of this on Instagram, Simmonsessentials. Peace and God bless.